And here we are, into the blender of the African village. As they were going, the three storytellers, they met right there at the junction of Birmingham. And he thought, that's what my grandfather talked about. To her neighbor, and she says, neighbor, I have a tahine. Tahine in my language means a stranger. I have a tahine, and this tahine, all he wants to do is so. Please give me something so I can give him to. Do we appreciate the value that we add into this blender? More importantly, do we appreciate the value others add into this blender? Every value that we add into this blender, together, we will make the most delicious smoothie that can heal our wonderful world. Thank you so very much. I am Yusuf Jallo, the Powerful Spirits. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you.